Hello, this is Aria from Hugin TV. In this video, we will take a look at the usage of Leap Mobile Wallet. The links can be found in the description as usual. When the application opens, we choose the option to create a new wallet. After saving the 12-word mnemonic seed phrase in a secure place, we continue the setup and fill in the empty words. This process is to make sure we have saved the words, since these are the key to your wallet. Our new wallet has been created. Now let's check the features. There are 3 ways to copy your wallet address: directly copying the shown address, receive icon on the left side, or the receive assets button. Now I will transfer some assets from another wallet to this new one by using the address I copied. To send transactions, click the send button, fill in or paste the address you want to transfer funds to, type the amount, review transfer, and click send. Click the IBC icon. Here you can send assets between IBC-enabled Cosmos chains. I will send my atoms to the Osmosis chain. Here I choose the Osmosis chain. Type in the amount of atom I want to transfer. Click Review Transfer, and then Send. Let's take a look at the swap function. I change the top currency to what I want to pay with and the below box to what I want to buy. In this case, I will pay with Atom and buy some flicks. Then we click Review, Proceed, and approve the transaction. We click Done button and our swap is complete. Click the Atom logo on the top right. Let's switch chains and check if our atoms have arrived on Osmosis, then see if our flick swap was successful. As you can see, we have Atom on the Osmosis chain and flicks on the OmniFlix chain now. Let's switch back to the Cosmos hub. The scan logo allows you to scan QR codes from wallets and copy the address or connect to dApps. We will take a look at the bottom menus. Let's check the Stake tab. I click the Stake button, choose a validator, enter the amount of atom I want to stake, then click the Stake Atom button. Now that we have some atoms staked, we can participate in governance. In the Governance tab, you can view active proposals and vote. Below, you can check the details of the proposal. This one here is a scam proposal, so I am voting no with veto. If the majority of the votes are no with veto, the atom deposited for opening the proposal will be lost. In the Activity tab, you can review your wallet activity. If you want to see a longer list, you can click on Check More, which will take you to the Mint Scan activity page for your wallet. In the Browser tab, you can see a list of dApps you can connect to and use. In the upper left menu, we have some settings and options. You can change the displayed currency, change network, swap between light and dark themes, enable or disable showing your balances. Show private key lets you see the 64 hexadecimal key for your wallet. Show recovery phrase option lets you see the seed phrase for your wallet. The small search button on the main screen shows you a list of features and lets you search for functions. That wraps up this tutorial. If you enjoyed our content, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications. We look forward to sharing more insights with you in our next video. Until then, stay curious and stay decentralized.